Why do some people start feeling better the moment they begin tidying up, while others feel stressed just by looking at a messy room? Interestingly, both reactions originate from the same part of the brain, and the reason may surprise you. The real value of enjoying tidying isn't about being neat. It's about the feeling of control. When your life feels chaotic, your brain naturally begins searching for stability. Organizing your surroundings becomes a way of calming the inner chaos through external order. Had a difficult day? Suddenly reorganizing a drawer can make you feel calmer. This isn't just a random habit, it's your brain's way of helping you regain balance. Science supports this. Every time you complete a small task, making your bed, wiping your desk, or organizing a shelf, your brain releases dopamine, the chemical that gives you a rewarding well-done feeling. At the same time, a clean and organized space can help lower levels of cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. That sense of relief you feel after cleaning isn't just psychological, it's a natural biological response. But there's something even deeper happening. On a subconscious level, the brain interprets the environment as a signal of safety. Clutter silently reminds us of unfinished tasks throughout the day. For emotionally sensitive people, that quiet whisper can feel like overwhelming noise. That's why many people don't clean to impress others, they do it to feel peaceful, grounded, and safe within themselves. For some, tidying is also a form of self-expression. Their home becomes a creative space. The arrangement of books, the placement of plants, or the way a room is decorated all become a form of art created through the environment. For many people, sorting belongings or sweeping the floor has an effect similar to meditation. These simple actions bring the mind back to the present moment and create a sense of calm, without having to sit down for a formal meditation session. There's another important emotional layer as well. Tidying often means letting go of the past. Every time you throw away old clothes, broken electronics, or gifts you no longer use, you're quietly telling yourself, I no longer need this chapter of my life. That's why decluttering can sometimes feel unexpectedly emotional, or even bring tears to your eyes. You're not just reorganizing your home, you're rewriting part of your personal story. Your surroundings are a reflection of your mind. An organized space quietly tells you, you've got this. A cluttered space, on the other hand, whispers, you're exhausted. You're falling behind. That's why cleaning is a powerful way to change your inner state by changing your outer environment. Because organization isn't really about the objects themselves. It's about making conscious choices. This matters. This stays. It's time to let this go. Every shelf and every drawer reflects how you want to feel, clear, peaceful, and intentional. So the next time you notice yourself feeling better after tidying up, don't dismiss it. You're witnessing an act of self-care in real time. Your body, your mind, and your emotions begin moving back into harmony. Peace isn't something you simply find. It's something you build through small, everyday actions. What about you? Do you feel the same way? Let us know in the comments, how does tidying affect you? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We explain the psychology behind everyday habits in a simple and easy to understand way.